Kum ke jingpen kan mau ya ke sarkar jela halor ke jingade bat ke Langpih sektor ke belami bah ki jingya ka Kyrwoh hapadeng ke jela Assam bat Meghalaya haka arpu kendai tere ujemang araja arpusan ki dekat ke regional committee Pynbeit Kaiphod na West Coast Hills district kila bo dor khas jau menteri rangba ke jela Konrad ke sangma bat kum jo jau ba pol Lyngdoh menteri ke sarkar jela ban kerpat ya ke sarkar ba ke dei ban Pynkloi ya ke Jingïakren Pynbeit Port hal Langpih sektor. Habakran sikilat pathai kubor ba kepi pangyang udukot ke komiti uloong ba ka phase 2 jong ka Langpih sektor ka long ka ba mi ba ka huri-hura bot kumta ukurman ba kan donno ka Jingïakren Pynbeit ka ba Khamkloi hadien ka jingwan yu kejat ki menteri rang ba na ki arteli ki jela kum ba kila pensngo bakin simkhia halor ka te ka jing'e ki paj ba.
So minta kasih nak kalian jong kinong yelam jong ka Langpih sektor. Kat kum meeting ka kanai 3 April. Kepala lumlang yang berok headman di Shillong ki nomi khmar ujong markai ki political party semua te dakawai ki jengmut ki rai ban ai kan ki jeng tho show chief minister honorable chief minister but ya I minister benar romba polling do di dalam submit mental chairman juga West Coast regional committee kolong bagian arteli ki pang kebenin kong kolong ba hagani ke phase 2 ki pai ba jong ka Langpih kepada kau wait se ke sektor ke Pynbeit yang records ke balong ke ba huri huratan bat ka ba don ka jige ka ba crowd stand ya kundut ki kam ka jingjap sum siru te kumba lawan chief minister jong ka Meghalaya bat Assam ha ka ki November arja ku kita wan ban de kendu pro atli ki chief minister ki officer na pro arliang bo pai ba pro ko wei Tikil Ausai ba in shim ya kan senjang the second phase na banta ka Langpih sector ka khamlong complicated kan then rei in shim ka priority de halor ka tu na kalian di ba na thi ki pau ni sungu ya ka historic visit juga tun chief minister ka Langpih sector ka bar ka long ba ni pau ni sungu ya ka jinglong positive response jo ki marba lawan ni bijan mari idala de ya jinglong jingman jo Langpih sektor te menda kasi long tang ban pen mau ban speed up ya kan tok bat ke counterpart Assam bat ba ngiu iru ba barat mut kisi bisa dapat kiwan Langpih ki don ke jinglong responsive ya kan ka jingda wajib pai ba bat ba ki bu no priority bati ban settle final decision once for all. Kita kadai kepa iwan si ke ba kiru kelawan Langpih. Jadi kemis kem ba bel government kan haban sim dan umna baro sinle ru lesi kan don ki ka ba ko mo ru Langpih ni kerpat ni kentu ni gremen ba kan sim ko ka priority jongka bikin ru tuliki sektor jongka second phase jongka ban settle ya kedika long pending border dispute.
Hakajo ko sngi na kalyang ba pol Lyngdoh uloong ba ka sarkar jela kala dap penbiang lut ya ki Kaiphod alor kani ban menta kidang ap setang ke jingle jurep lang ya ki tegi jaka basyak ta ula pentep ru basan ka sarkar jela bat ka jela Assam kan sepenlong biang ya ka Jingïakren halor kani ka mat.
The committee report is ready, but as you will recall, all that was pending was the field tour, the visit to the affected site, and one such site was Langpih. But the response from the Assam counterpart has not been forthcoming, probably because of the fact that they had the Panchayat elections and the upcoming assembly elections. And with elections at the doorsteps, it's very likely that they do not want to risk any major decision that might tilt the electorate against the current dispensation. Yeah.
So Assam side is pending. Assam side is pending.
No, in fact, our reports are ready. It's just a field visit to Langpih.
Joint visit.
The joint visit, which we had agreed when we last met at Hotel Pinewood. That has not materialized because of those factors that I have just cited.
So we are going to understand that talks are about to resume?
No, talks are about to resume, but we will not nothing large scale, nothing spectacular will happen before the end of the electioneering process.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la ai kan diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta I ka dur jingki marbam ka jingmat la ne ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shapi, the office, Johor Commissionariat of Food Safety, Shillong, Meghalaya.